Hello, it's Brad Campbell here. Just doing my enhancement number 4 video. I'm going to start off at the product management page. I'm going to go up to the top here and we're going to validate the CSS. No errors were found doing that. We're also going to validate the HTML for this page. No errors. We're going to come down here. We're going to insert a product. And we're going to select a category first, and we'll just say Canon. And the product I'm going to choose, and we're just going to say barbecue since I like to barbecue. And then for all the fields, they're just text right now, so I'm just going to put the word data in. Scroll down through here. And I'm going to submit. We have successfully inserted barbecue. And we'll come back over here to the local host, and we're going to go back to inventory, and we're going to go down here to the bottom, and there it is, product, and you can see all the data fields have been entered for that. Going back to the Acme page, we'll go back a couple of screens, and we're going to insert a category. The name that we're going to insert, of course, is barbecue. So we'll insert, and as you can see, barbecue was inserted. And if we go back to the insert a product page, and barbecue is inserted here as well. So I will go back to that insert a category page, and we will validate this page as well, just so you know. No errors or warnings to show for this page. And I believe that's it for this week's enhancement. Inserting a product and inserting a category. And you can also go to the local host, and we can go to the categories, and we can see barbecue was inserted there. And that's enhancement number 4. Thank you for your time and for watching my video. I look forward to next week. Have a good day.